and people do not more emphasize on employability. ये कैसे इनको एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल सेट से एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल सकता है, दैट इज द संयम एप्लीकेशन सर्वर्स, वन ऑफ द सर्वर्स टॉकिंग अबाउट, दैट इज रियली फैंटास्टिक. शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. ऑफ कोर्स दे शुड नॉट वेस्ट देयर टाइम्स अ लॉट ऑन रील्स, शुड मेंटेन वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस.
पहले हमारे दर्शकों को अपना छोटा सा परिचय दे दीजिए.
बिल्कुल. आई एम विनीता अरोरा. आई एम वर्किंग इन ऑफिस ऑफ करियर सर्विसेज इन ओपी जिंदल ग्लोबल यूनिवर्सिटी सोनीपत.
सबसे पहले एक बात मैम, FWA और EPN के कोलैबोरेशन से आज ये इवेंट हुआ है, जो आज हमने कॉन्क्लेव जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया एजुकेशन कॉन्क्लेव, तो आपको क्या लगता है इसका परिणाम क्या होगा?
परिणाम ऑनेस्टली बहुत अच्छा होगा. दिस वाज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. वंस आई हैव सीन द टॉपिक एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट, and of course people do talk about employment a lot, and that is my forte. As I told you, I'm working in office of career services. I'm providing employment to the students, and people do not more emphasize on employability. So आज हमने इतनी ज़्यादा स्किल सेट पे बात करी है, कैसे इनको एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल सेट से एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल सकता है, दैट इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. द फ्यूचर स्किल सेट ऑल्सो वी हैव टॉक्ड today, like critical thinkings, like empathy, and so many applications are also available, how students can grab the knowledge and enhance their employability skills. This was really a insightful session today. I'm really glad, and would like to thanks a lot to EPN and FWA.
As you said, like I think we need like personality development training, right? So these are the part of empathy trainings, or you can say critical thinking training. Okay, so इसको क्या होता है ना, लोग उतना like lightly लेते हैं इन चीज़ों को, जबकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा क्रूशियल रोल फिलहाल के इंडस्ट्री में प्ले करता है. तो अभी के टाइम में इन चीज़ों का अडॉप्ट करने के लिए कैसे like घर बैठे कोई युवा कैसे करे खुद से?
See, in the first panel round, our delegates were talking a lot how we can enhance the employability skill set. There are so many applications available, and by the AICT as well. There's a Sanyam application servers, one of the servers talking about. That is really fantastic. Short-term courses are also available, and people can involve themselves in as a entrepreneurship as well. And employment is, of course, looks very fascinating. But apart from that, job and to become an entrepreneur, that play also very important.
Just a simple questions. Okay, what kind of skill set does like employer look towards the employee, or you can say the candidates for hire them?
Honestly speaking, skill set, it's up to the job profile, because different job profiles available in the market. If that is related to technical, so technical skill set also required. But apart from that, there are few common skill set required. That is, of course, we should have a positive attitude. That play a very important role, and we should have a critical thinking approach. We should not judge, and apart from that, we should keep empathy in us. That is most important, I believe so.
Any suggestions for students or those who are preparing for jobs, so that should be helpful to for future employment for them?
So of course, if I'll talk about the technical skills and non-technical skills, apart as per the job requirements, they should enhance their knowledge whenever they'll get time. Of course, they should not waste their times a lot on reels. Of course, these days, so many youth are spending a lot of time. They should maintain work-life balance. They should spend a lot of time on their short-term courses. That is most important. Of course, they should work on their attitude, their approach, their thinking. That should be in a structured way. Of course, one line I would like to say, there are so many trees available, but we will have to pick one of our tree and we'll have to nurture. That means so many options available, but we will have to choose one of the options where we would like to see ourselves, and then accordingly we can nurture and we'll see ourselves in future in that way.
Accordingly, we have to do preparation till nowadays. Okay, thank you so much for your time, ma'am. Thank you so much for your insights. It's nice to talking with you.
Thanks a lot to EPN team and FWA. It's my absolute pleasure to attend this event.
Thank you.
Thank you.